Good morning, folks. What a perfect weather to work outside. I have these spots here, these imperfections and a lot of cracks. I would like to open up with this little gadget here, just to make sure that everything is in proper order. If not, well, obviously I'm gonna fix it. These holes I would like to close anyway with thickened epoxy, and then the entire hull will be painted with gel shield anyway. So let's see what's underneath. I think they're basically just cracks. I just open them and then filling them up. I already degreased the hull. Now I'm mixing epoxy with fast hardener, and I'm gonna obviously use some thickened epoxy to fill all those holes in order to have a smooth hull again. I use low density filler 407 from West Systems, and I try to get a peanut butter consistency. Yeah, I think that's quite alright. This area here was the trickiest one, with two through holes together, and as you can see it's rather big, and that's why it's rather complicated to produce an even and flat surface again. But I'm quite happy with the result. Again, just a little bit of sanding required, and that should do the trick. I used thickened epoxy to fill the gap between the keel and the hull, and this looks rather good. Just a little bit of sanding required and the surface should be smooth and clean. Sanding the entire hull by hand is really painful. But I finished half of the boat already. Starboard side is still yet to continue. So sanding is finished, finally. Celina's hull is smooth and flat, and now I'm just cleaning her with acetone in order to paint her. Here I have open and unprotected glass fiber, and that's why I need to cover them in Gel Shield Plus before I apply the proper paint. Next week, if the weather permits, we're gonna apply Gel Shield 200, and thereafter it's going to be anti-fouling. This looks already nice and decent. after 3 coats of this Gel Shield Plus. This was only put onto these areas where we have direct contact to the laminate, and there's just one layer missing, and after that layer we have to wash the entire boat, clean it completely, and we can start putting on the Gel Shield 200, which obviously protects the Gel Shield from osmosis. Today is the day. Finally everything is finished. The boat is clean. We degreased the hull as well. And now I'm about to mix the paint with the hardener. It's a 2-component paint. And we're gonna apply 5 coats before we're gonna apply the antifouling. This is International Gel Shield 200. I used international colors, or the brand International, already before, and I was quite happy with the result. So I'm very confident this color will do its job perfectly well. After we applied the last and 5th layer of this osmosis treatment, I had to sand the entire boat again in order to create a perfect bonding between the next layers of paint. Next step is going to be anti-fouling treatment, and I choose the Hempels system. It's a fouling release system which is biocide free in order to contribute a little bit to the environment.
In our yellow submarine, we all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine. Yellow submarine, yellow submarine.
The tie coat is applied. This is the first layer of the Hempel protection system against the antifouling. And today it's already quite too late, so we have to apply the next layer, which will be the Silic One, tomorrow. It looks good. I'm super happy, and there's only one layer left, and in total we're gonna have applied something like 8 layers. This is the last layer. Finally we finished painting. First layer of the Hempel antifouling is on the hull. It's the final color. As you can see, it's black. And I'm super happy with the result. It took us quite some time because this paint was a little bit difficult to apply. But now, after some 4 hours painting, we are done.